Hey gang, this is Mike with Mr. Investor, and today's session is about why the professionals do the basic and the beginners are always looking to do the advanced moves. So again, today's session is about why the champs do the foundation, the basic moves, and the new people are looking for all the advanced moves to do. Now this happens in real estate, it happens in entrepreneurship, and it also happens in fitness. Let me give you an example. I always go to the gym, and I've been going there since high school, and I noticed that the newest people are always trying to do the coolest exercises, the most complex exercises, the most advanced exercises. And in reality, the new people really need to stick with the basics, which is the pull-ups, the push-ups, the squats, the bend over rolls, the basic stuff. And yes, the basic stuff is hard, but that's the thing that builds foundation. The same thing happens into real estate. I see all these new investors want to learn all these sophisticated tricks, strategies, and always reading, and they're not willing to do the basic stuff. So what is the basic stuff, you may be asking yourself? Well, the basic stuff is learning how to talk to people over the phone, learning how to build rapport, how to do cold calls, how to learn, how to negotiate. And if you're not willing to do the basic stuff like cold calling, knocking on doors, then your probability of success dramatically decreases, because the professionals, the advanced people understand, just like in the gym, that success comes from doing the foundation work over and over and over. And that's why if you go to the gym, you see the biggest guys at the gym always doing the foundation stuff, and the newest guys always doing the most advanced moves, which they do totally incorrectly because they haven't done the foundation to be able to do more advanced moves. So the point of this story is, ladies and gentlemen, is that if you want to be successful in America, all you have to do is go out there and take massive action, and don't worry about learning the most advanced moves. Stick with the ABCs. Don't try to do the most complex stuff, the newest strategies, or the newest way to do something. Stick with the basics till you become a master at it, ladies and gentlemen. Like Bruce Lee said he fears a guy that practiced one kick 10,000 times than he does a fighter that has practiced 10,000 kicks one time. So the point of the story is, stick with the foundation. That's what builds champions, not advanced moves. Talk to you later, gang. Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy, where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on, for just $97 a month. Join me now at MrNoFluff.com. Lastly, the best 6-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.MrNoFluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.